Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Zendikar Rising. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a wildcard token, followed by an island for our land, then Crag Crown Pathway with Timber Ground Pathway on the back, then Thundering Spark Mage, Ravager's Mace, Roiling Regrowth, Shell Shield, Mind Drain, Synchronized Spellcraft, Scorch Rider, Pressure Point, Might of Marasa, Zulaport Duelist, Rabid Bite, Field Research, and Cleansing Wildfire. So again, Cleansing Wildfire, Field Research, Rabid Bite, Zulaport Duelist, Might of Marasa, Pressure Point, Scorch Rider, Synchronized Spellcraft, Mind Drain, Shell Shield, Roiling Regrowth, Ravager's Mace, Thundering Spark Mage, Crag Crown Pathway with Timber Crown Pathway on the back. Our land is an island, and we have a wildcard token. So that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.